I'm going to be sharing with you 5 low budget things that you can do to always look high maintenance, to always look put together. So if you're interested in those things that you can do that are not just low budget but are quick and easy to do, that will always make you look like you're put together, then definitely want to watch this video to the very end. And if you're new, hi, my name is Goodness. Do subscribe and hit the like button, and also turn on your bell notification so that when I put out a video like this next time, you would be among the first set of people to get notified of the actual video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to share that can always make you feel put together and always make you feel high maintenance is having your hair in check. And if you're a wig person, I advise that you should invest in buying a wig that is everyday low effort wig. For example, this is my everyday low effort wig. Will you believe it when I tell you that I do not straighten the entire wig? Just this front part, that's all I straighten. That's why I love this hair so much, because I don't need to do so much. It is glueless, and the only thing I have to just bob when I need to bob, it's just this front, but every other thing still looks put together, and you will not know if I didn't tell you that I didn't straighten this hair. So going for a straight closure hair will be the best way to start, because you can never go wrong with closure. All you just need to do is just pop it on and out. You can have it in bob and a maybe medium length hair, and then you'll be good to go. Having an everyday closure wig would always make your life easier and always make you look high maintenance. And if you're not a wig person, if you don't have any wig, you're not left out of this low budget high maintenance journey, because you can learn how to do a low bun hairstyle for yourself. That hairstyle, I haven't seen anybody in this slide that hairstyle does not fit. I haven't seen. Like, that hairstyle looks good on everybody, like literally everybody. And thank God I have done a video on that hairstyle here on my channel. I'm going to leave the video linked up here and also below for you to watch. There are also tons of videos out there that can show you the different styles. You can make it like a center pattern, you can make it like a C curve, you can add like extension at the back if your hair is not so long to put it in an actual bun. Please, there are different ways. Just learn how to put your hair in a bun, and it not just screams effortless, it also gives this old money classy vibe. Okay, I don't think this video will be complete if I don't talk about makeup products. As a makeup girly, I need you to invest in makeup products that can serve you everyday makeup looks or no makeup looks. There are tons of videos here on my channel and also on YouTube that will teach you how to do those 2 kind of makeup looks. What I have right now is an everyday makeup look. Okay, so you can turn down the lashes, or you can just use the mascara, but get things like tinted sunscreen, lip oils, lip plums, lip glosses, lip liners, mascara, brown eye pencil, and a blush. Trust me, you are good to go. But then you can go higher and get a concealer that's literally your skin shade to cover up some of your blemishes, and that's how you can actually also achieve an everyday makeup look. Investing in perfume oils. Never undermine the power of smelling nice. I know what smelling nice has done in my life personally. The reason why I said investing in body oils, perfume oils, is like most times it lasts longer. These are my perfume body oils. The fact that they are easy to just throw in my bag, in my purse, is very nice. And I can always go to the bathroom, and when I'm doing the bathroom in public, just put this here, and I'm leaving the smelling. They last longer than some low budget perfumes, if I say so myself. And for some times where you are in an air-conditioned room and your skin is really getting very dry, using your body oils can just make your skin go back to looking very luscious. I just do this, put the oil in my hand and just rub it on my skin, and that way it eliminates that dryness and give my skin this very luscious, shiny look. Okay, so investing in perfume oils or body oils would always be a game changer, because first of all, you're gonna get compliments, baby girl. Oh my God, it smells so nice. Oh my God, what are you wearing? See, that compliment is the best thing ever. When it comes to your clothing, talking about your shoes, your bags, your belts, your shirts, your pants, purchase in neutral, everyday, monotone colors. About black, beige, cream, brown, deep blue. Okay, those set of colors, you can never go wrong. And funny thing is that when you have this kind of colors in your wardrobe, nobody really knows when you are repeating those clothes. I don't know if that makes sense, but I've seen that when people have like different collections of beige and brown, I mean, can wear beige and brown today and then wear brown and black and then wear beige and deep blue. I mean, those color combinations will always and forever look nice. So when you're going out to buy clothes or buy shoes or buy bags, forget the colors for now. Okay, we're dealing with low budget. Forget the purple, forget the yellow, forget the green, yeah, forget the pink. Just buy things that like brown, beige, cream, blue, black. If you have those colors in your collection, when it comes to your bags, your shoes, your belt, I don't know if they have cream belt, but like your belts, your what else again that I mentioned, even your underpants, yeah, your underwear, you can never go wrong with those colors. So since you stayed to this very point, I'm going to give you like a very small bonus tip to making you look more high maintenance than you already do right now. That is investing in hair accessories. I want to say hair accessories, things like a simple headband can elevate your look. Are you guys seeing how it took my look from that to this? Things like this can enable you to wear one wig in like 5 different ways. I have like how many headbands? I have this, I have this, I have one very small, tiny, cute one that most likely fell down right now, but I have a couple of headbands that I can wear one wig and put like different headbands, and you will never know. Even if you know, it's not really catch your attention because I am styling them in different ways. You can also go ahead and get this butterfly clips and just put your hair, not like first kind of hair, like if you have like a longer straight hair, put your hair in these things, style your hair, and also invest in hairstyling tools as well. And when I say hairstyling tools, get hairstyling tools that is not just your hot comb and your straightener. Get things like these barrels, okay? They come in different sizes. I have one that has like different sizes. They can just adjust the head and change the barrel to the size that I want it to be. And it's very, very good because I can just use one hair, and then if I'm tired of having like a straight hair, I'll just get this thing and coil it up and turn it into a coily, wavy, bouncy hair. It's that easy. So you can use one hair and get different looks with this hairstyling tools, trust me, and with this butterfly clips and with this hairband as well, because these are things that I have tested and tried, and people are like, oh my god, they have so many wigs. Girl, I know how to style my hair. And go on TikTok, there's many people online there that teach you how to style your wig in different ways every single time. I really hope that with all this I've said, I'm leaving you feeling like you can actually look high maintenance every single time. So if you like this video, hit the like button to let me know and let YouTube know that you enjoyed this video. And if you want more videos like this that will help you elevate your confidence and make you know how to dress better, do click on this video right here on the screen and it will take you to another video like this. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in this very video.